Hi there. So this is my colleague Vidya Kanthi. She's a GP in St Albans and a key player for the Herts Valley's Diabetes Education team.
Great, and this is my colleague Dr. Alka Patel, who is a GP at Little Bushy Surgery and also the chair of Hearts One Federation for Herts Valleys. So,
we're here at the conference. We've had a really interesting morning. We've sat in about 4 or 5 speeches so far. And I have to say, for me, the one thing that really stood out was about social prescribing. I'm sure you find as busy GPs, at the end of our consultations, it's sometimes really hard to think about what else the patient needs. And I really am, after today, going to go away and think about Hearts Help and signposting and loneliness and social prescribing, probably in a way that I haven't been able to do so far. So that, for me, is a good take-home.
I particularly enjoyed the presentation that covered medical emergencies dealing with diabetic patients in primary care. So we went over the new changes in terms of how we manage hypoglycemia, taking into account the increased volume of glucosate to 200 mils as opposed to 100 mils. We went over how to give your 60 mils of glucose juice and then keep checking every 10 minutes until your blood glucose levels are above 4, as 4 is the floor. So it was quite nice to reiterate simple basic principles again, and then later on go over other diabetic complications.
I think we're also both quite excited about the new Hertfordshire Integrated Diabetes Service and what this is going to mean for us as professionals in terms of much better networking, really close integration, professional support at the end of the phone or at the end of the email, and what this is going to mean for our patients as well in terms of supported care and education. So we're really pleased that this service is now sort of taken off, so looking forward to the changes.
We've today launched our Hearts Valley's Diabetes Integrated Service website. So the web address is www.heartsvalleysdiabetes.co.uk. On there you'll find resources that are helpful both for professionals and for patients, and hopefully it will also signpost and give you an overall view of what we're offering in Hearts Valleys.